updated my Hero 9 to the 1.7 version, and I don't know what happened. Take a look at this video taken today. In this video, I did use my settings as an activity, and I have it set to a hypersmooth 2.7 60 frame per second hypersmooth on. I took this video today and it's kind of jerky with the hyper boost on and super view on an activity to 2.7K on a 60 frame per second video. It's a bit dark outside, but there's still a lot of light outside. So is 1.7 an upgrade or a downgrade? Come on, GoPro.